Time will bring the real end about your eye. Day there'll be no remnants, no trace, no residual feelings within you. Day you won't remember me. Your face will be the reason I smile, but I will not see what I cannot.